What's next to you?
Next to me, Mediterranean Sea. Steaming of food is very nice. A very special tool. It's perfectly done.
啲肉好嫩滑。你好，
我哋係
港德製之二人。
konGTak self-made. So we bought dorade.
€5.18.
Hey guys, welcome to another episode of konGTak Kitchen. Today we went to the market here in Spain. We got a nice fish here. It's a dorade from Asia. The steaming of food is very nice because you can keep all the vitamins inside. It's very gentle to cook food. I will show you how to do that. It's also very simple. You just need a wok, a few things, and you have a really nice dinner. In the market you prepare already the fish. You cut off the fins, cut everything off and empty the stomachs. Get out the intestine. But I will clean it a little bit more. On the eyes, they're super clear, so this fish is super fresh. I will cut a little bit garlic, thin stripes. Put the garlic in the belly. Add some salt outside of the fish. It's from outside pepper. Spread the salt and the pepper on the skin like this. This is now the German style. I'm adding lemon into the belly of the fish. Adding cabbage. This cabbage I place around here, so we will have later the fish with some vegetables. Also always nice to have a carrot. I cut it long like that, and then you can cut it down like this, and you have really nice carrot stripes. Place the carrots here around, mix it a little bit under the cabbage. This also have a nice effect on the color. And I will add a little bit of the leek to bring some nice taste. The leek is stronger than the cabbage, and this will just add another flavor into the dish. I have here some of the bell pepper. This gives another colorful part. A little bit more garlic. One here, one there. Add a little bit more soy sauce over the vegetables. I have here our wok. This is a normal wok you can buy everywhere. Here inside a grid, some water, and this one I will bring to boil. I have here a very special tool to hold this plate. Nice. Water is boiling, so I just open it and place the plate inside. For this fish, 12-13 minutes, and it's perfectly done. You need to be careful because there's a lot of condensated water on the lid, so we don't want to have it in the dish. The best is to take it straight off like this and take it down here. To see if the fish is done, you can go with the chopsticks and push it in, and it's easily come out and easily go in. Done. So turn off. Our first steamed fish in Spain. You can see here it's very easy go off.
啱啱好。 啲肉好嫩滑。
好味道
好味道啊！
This is a really good gentle way to cook nice food and to keep all the taste and the vitamins, and I prefer this cooking way. It's very nice.